In this video, we listed the 5 best multi-cookers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker 6 quart. Experience effortless cooking with the Instant Pot. 6 quart programmable pressure cooker designed to handle all your kitchen needs with ease. Featuring 7 versatile cooking functions, including pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, rice, yogurt, and keep warm. This all-in-one appliance streamlines meal prep like never before. With 13 customizable smart programs, you can create anything from hearty soups to decadent cakes at the touch of a button. The pro-grade stainless steel 18/8 tri-ply inner pot ensures exceptional searing and sautéing performance, while the easy release steam switch provides fast, safe steam release every time. Cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking methods, perfect for busy families thanks to its generous 6 quart capacity. Cleanup is a breeze with a dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot, and you can cook confidently with over 10 built-in safety mechanisms, including overheat protection and an easy seal locking lid. Powered by a strong 1000 watt system and UL/ULC certified, this Instant Pot also includes a stainless steel steamer rack, making it the ultimate kitchen essential for everyday convenience. Number 2. MAGNIFIQUE 4 quart Claypot. Multi-cooker with 8-in-1 functions. The MAGNIFIQUE Experience Delight 8-in-1 multi-cooker designed to bring convenience, versatility, and style to your kitchen. Featuring one-touch presets including slow cook, braise, sear/saute, keep warm, brown rice, white rice, oats, and pasta, this smart cooker handles every meal with ease. Its 4 quart capacity stoneware crock is perfect for family portions, fitting up to a 4-pan albant chicken or a tutlabira labis roast, ideal for everyday dinners, potlucks, and entertaining. The heat-resistant porcelain liner offers exceptional versatility, safe for use in the microwave or oven, up to 450 degrees, while the ceramic non-stick coating is free of PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium for healthier cooking. Cleaning is simple with dishwasher-safe components and an easy wipe touch control panel. Designed with a sleek aluminum exterior and a matching inner pot, this cooker also features an extra-large high-definition digital display for an elevated cooking experience that blends performance with modern style. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multi-cooker 6 quarts. The Instant Pot 6 quart stainless plus multi-cooker, your all-in-one solution for fast, convenient, and delicious home cooking. With 9 cooking functions including pressure cook, slow cook, saute, sous vide, steam, sterilize, keep warm, rice, and yogurt. This appliance handles everything from quick weeknight meals to gourmet dishes. Its 15 customizable smart programs make preparing soups, stews, cakes, and more as simple as pressing a button. The intuitive display provides real-time updates on cooking time, temperature, and pressure, while the detachable power cord allows for easy storage. Enjoy safe and hassle-free steam release with the easy release switch, and cook meals up to 70% faster compared to slow cooking methods. The pro-grade 18/8 stainless steel inner pot with an anti-spin tri-ply bottom ensures excellent searing and sautéing performance. Ideal for families, the 6 quart capacity serves up to 6 people and is perfect for meal prep or batch cooking. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the dishwasher-safe lid and pot, and you'll appreciate the added convenience of 2 extra sealing rings and a stainless steel steam rack. Backed by 1000 watts of reliable performance and over 10 built-in safety mechanisms, this UL and ULC listed Instant Pot provides powerful, worry-free cooking every time. Number 4. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker 6 quart. The Instant Pot 6 quart programmable multi-cooker. Designed to replace multiple kitchen appliances, it offers 10 cooking functions, including pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, saute, sterilize, yogurt, rice, bake, steam, and keep warm, making it easier than ever to prepare a wide range of meals. With 28 customizable one-touch smart programs, you can effortlessly handle everything from daily staples to specialty dishes. This model preheats 20% faster and cooks up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking, helping you get dinner on the table quicker. The gentle steam release switch and diffusing cover ensure quiet, controlled steam release for safer and easier operation. Perfect for families, the 6-quart capacity serves up to 6 people and is ideal for weekly meal prep. Cleanup is simple with a dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot, while the easy grip handles add extra convenience. Powered by a strong 1200-watt system and backed by UL and ULC certifications, it features essential safety mechanisms like overheat protection and an auto-sealing lid lock for peace of mind. An extra sealing ring and a stainless steel steamer rack with handles are also included to keep you ready for whatever you want to cook next. Number 5. COMFEE 16 in 1. Electric pressure cooker, 8 quarts. The COMFEE, 8 quart. Programmable pressure cooker delivers exceptional convenience, versatility, and capacity for busy families and home cooks. Featuring 16 programmable preset functions, it allows you to prepare a wide variety of dishes, including meats, broths, beans, oatmeal, and more, with just a few simple steps. Its generous 8-quart capacity, equivalent to 20 cups of cooked rice, is perfect for serving 6 to 8 people, making it ideal for family dinners, gatherings, and parties. Built with 10 advanced safety features such as overheat protection, automatic pressure release, and a secure lid locking system, this pressure cooker ensures a safer and more reliable cooking experience. The 24-hour intelligent delay timer lets you schedule meals in advance, so your dishes are ready exactly when you need them. To make cooking even more convenient, the COMFEE pressure cooker includes 6 useful accessories: a spoon, ladle, condensation cup, measuring cup, steam rack, and power cord. Everything you need to get started right away.